Welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to be restoring and cleaning my Nike Blazer mids. Pretty basic, but they were pretty beat and dirty. To clean the sneakers, I'm actually going to be using the Jason Mark Premium Shoe Cleaner. Picked it up at any shoe store. I wanted to see how effective it was than a basic shoe cleaner. It comes with a brush. Some things you're gonna actually need for this, obviously, are some dirty shoes, some shoe cleaner, a brush. You could use an old toothbrush. I actually used a sponge in this video, and I actually found the sponge did a lot that the brush wasn't doing. So if you want to pick up a sponge or an old sponge you have in your sink under the cabinet, go ahead and use that because it actually helped me out a lot, more than I thought, to get out some tough stains. Got a lot of stains on them, and obviously with some shoe cleaner, some warm water, and any type of tool to use to scrub out all the dirt, I went ahead and it came out nice, as best as they can, honestly. I went ahead and actually purchased some new shoelaces also, just because the shoelaces were really dirty and I really didn't feel like I wanted to clean those. I tried. They were so dirty. I just was like, replace the shoelaces. Super easy. They're like $2. And yeah, let's get straight into the process of cleaning it and breaking that down, and then I'll show you the final result. So to clean the shoes, first off, I always recommend take the shoelaces out. Gives you a lot more surface to clean. Plus, these shoelaces are super dirty. So I'm going to actually soak them in some water and see what happens. Make sure to stuff the shoes also. As you see here, I'm just putting in some rag. Also, before you start cleaning the shoes, take a dry rag and wipe down the shoe, and you want to get off all the surface dirt off of the shoe itself. I start using the brush that came with the shoe cleaner. First of all, I don't recommend it. There's not really anything to hold on to besides a slippery plastic surface, and when the water starts getting, and the foam from the soap starts getting everywhere, it's really hard to grip. I end up dropping it here shortly, but that's where the sponge comes in handy. The sponge came super handy in this moment. I ended up using the brush as long as I could, as you see, because I'm like, why would I not? I bought the pack. It came with the brush. You got to use whatever you have. So clearly, I'm just trying to get the dirt off of the shoe. Clearly now I do have a leather surface shoe, so it was a little bit easier than a canvas shoe, so I was grateful for that. But still, there were some pretty tough stains in there to bust out. But wiping down the extra foam, and then I start using the sponge to get the extra stains out. And the rough side of the sponge actually ended up working really great. As you see, a lot of the surface is becoming a lot whiter, just cleaner in general. You'll see here again, the stains get buffed out a lot easily with the rough side of the sponge, and super easy and affordable. But give it some time, keep giving it some scrubs, make sure to use some soap, make sure the soap gets foamy. I guess the foam helps bust out the stains. As you can see, the sponge was really great with acquiring some foam. So overall though, it was a really quick and easy process. That being said, the shoe had leather upper, so it wasn't suede or anything like that. I would recommend, if you have a suede shoe and you're trying to do this process, I would get a suede cleaner, just because that would be easier on yourself. And the water and soap may actually ruin the suede a little bit more.
than you'd want. But overall, the shoes came out really great, and I'm about to put the new laces on because I ended up acquiring some just brand new shoelaces, and they turned the shoes into a whole new shoe. I'm super happy with how they came out. Here's the before, and here's the after.
Sweet, now the shoes are super clean. I'm super happy with how they came out actually. One, because they're still like broken in, they still have the character that I built into these shoes over the year. I've been rocking these, but they still also look a lot more fresh. New also, and with the new laces, they look super white. The whiter laces make the shoes actually look whiter itself. Anytime I think I get my laces dirty, I may just buy new laces. They're super cheap. And it's just such an easy process to just grab, so I'm super happy with how they came out. I'm gonna actually show you a couple looks with them with some denim. I tried them on just with some shorts, but I'm gonna put on some denim just so you can see how fresh they look with some pants. And yeah, super excited on how they came out, but it is nice again to have the fresh kicks, especially if it's a leather upper. It's really easy just to grab something like a wet cloth and wipe them off. So if you do have a leather shoe, it should be an easier process for you. If you do have a suede shoe, you may need to get some different type of shoe cleaner, a different type of brush. Also, a lint roller works really well with suede, but unfortunately I didn't have that problem today. I may do that in a future video if you are interested. Anyways, this is my Nike shoe blazer. This is my shoe cleaning transformation. If you did like how they came out, make sure to leave a like down below and a comment also on anything else you'd like to see in the future. In the meantime, yeah, other than that, I'm super proud on how they came out. First time really like attacking some dirty shoes like that. So anyways, more styling videos are going to be coming out shortly, so make sure to subscribe down below to be notified when those come out, because I got some cool things coming out shortly. Other than that, make sure to subscribe for future content. Like the video if you did. If you didn't, make sure to dislike the video as well. Like always, Styles McKay. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.